Welcome to another day, another hook set. I ain't got long to fish. Only got one rod, and I brought spinner baits and chatter baits. Fairly windy today. Water over here is dirty. Oh. See, we can't put a couple hooks in some bass or something. Here we go, fish. Fish. There we go. There we go. Fish on, baby. Y'all see him down there? Nice. Largemouth. There we go. Made it happen. Take a look at him. Little smallmouth. Pretty largemouth, huh? Nice. Let him go. And let's do that again. See a bunch of shad. Coming up on surface. Now I see a couple blow-ups. So it looks like we're in the right spot. So this wind is coming in and blowing into this cove here. Makes it a high potential area. That wind creates that current, I think, and it blows a lot of that bait fish up in here, which in turn, you know, the predator will follow. Because it's muddier water, you know, it's going to warm up a lot quicker. It's going to stabilize, the temperature's going to stabilize much better. That's why all this bait fish is in here, and that's why I think it's a high potential area. Oh, missed that one. Might get a trailer hook. There we go. Hey, he ate it right at the damn bank. Nice fish.